Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel guys. In today's video guys, we just finished replacing our alternator on Porsche Cayenne. This is the 4.5 V8 engine guys, and we decided guys to explain what needs to be done. Now, it was practically impossible for us guys to show you every little detail and we were in a hurry, so we couldn't make the video. And now guys, I'll explain what needs to be done, what we did, and how long it took us to replace that alternator. If you guys need to buy any parts or tools guys, usually we have the links in the description of the video below. In addition, we'll have more than 200 videos coming on Porsche Cayenne and more than 200 videos on every car we get at the shop, because our mission is to save you guys as much money as we can. So this is guys the old alternator that we just removed and replaced with a new one, and we want to explain guys, okay, what we did now. First, this is the Cayenne 4.5 V8 guys, and what we did, okay, first we had to guys drain the coolant. But in order to do that, what we usually do guys, okay, we remove all the covers, okay, right here, the plastic covers. The only one that we had left was the back one. When you have all that open guys, you're going to remove, okay, that cover right here, because under this cover, okay, you're going to disconnect your intake manifold, okay, the intake boot, excuse me, the double boot. So you pull these two pins out, you have two more here and two more here for each of the filter boxes, air filter boxes. Then you can pull all that assembly out. You need to disconnect the mass airflow sensors. You will need to guys remove the passenger side air filter box, and you will need to jack the car up on the right side. Okay, this tire will need to be in the air, and you need to remove the fender liner. We have the video guys, okay, how to remove fender liner on the channel. Check it out. And when you remove the fender liner, you will be able to access the bolts for the alternator through the fender liner, and that's where you're going to remove the alternator as well. But now you will guys need to remove your radiator fan as well. If you Google, okay, just search for a radiator fan removal replacement on Cayenne, we have the video and it will explain what we did so far from start to finish. Now the serpentine belt will need to be removed. We have a video for that as well. Drain your coolant guys, okay, and at that point you're ready to get to the alternator. The alternator has three bolts guys, okay, one bolt here, one bolt over there, and it has one bolt on top guys, okay, one bolt on top right here. So you can see that alternator, okay, it actually sits like that. Okay, you have the side bolt from here, one bolt from here guys, okay, this thing is in turbo condition, and one on the bottom, okay, which is this one right there. However guys, okay, this is not the only thing that you need to remove. There is one mount, okay, right here that you will need to remove, and it has guys, okay, it has two bolts that you will need to remove. You can see where ours was mounted. Some has two, some have three. One of those guys, okay, one of those is actually a ground wire, okay, right here. This is for the mount, this is for the mount as well guys, and you will be able to remove the mount only, and then the alternator, the whole alternator guys, comes out through, okay, it comes out through the fender liner. Once you remove the wheel, it comes through right here. Otherwise it's impossible guys, okay, to pull it on the front unless you have the radiator of the car removed, but that's quite complicated. And later you will need to install your belt. Don't forget to install your belt when you put the new one, and I'll recommend to get a new belt. If you want to check the video, it's on the channel. Now it has two coolant guys, two coolant hoses, you can see right here, and these two coolant hoses guys, there is a torque sturdy socket, and you just pull the whole fittings out. That way you don't need to disconnect any hoses, and there is less chance to actually break those plastic fittings. Always install new O-rings, I'll recommend, on the inside. And pretty much guys, that's the alternator. Now it took us, two of us, doing it the first time 3 hours. If we know what we're doing, probably by yourself you can do it in about 2.5 hours if you've done that job before on that Cayenne. But that's what needs to be done guys. That's the explanation video. On the next one we get at the shop, we'll try to make a how-to video guys from start to finish and explain that, but at least guys you can get the idea. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to the channel for more videos, and see you guys next time.